and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to log into Northumbria University. Northumbria University is a UK public university located in Newcastle upon Tyne in the northeast of England. The university holds the Silver Award in the Teaching Excellence Framework. Before jumping into our video, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll instantly be notified as soon as we post a new video. To log into Northumbria University, go to your web browser and in the search box, type Northumbria University Login. From the search results, click on the first one that says Northumbria University. On the next page, enter your Northumbria username and next, enter your password, making sure it is typed correct. Always make sure to enter your valid username and password, and after that, click on the sign in button. After this simple step, you'll be logged into your Northumbria University account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you think the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll be back with more tutorials soon. Goodbye till then.